Anna.
Hello.
Shall we play a game of this or that?
Sure.
Okay, first up. Ryzen medium duty electric or Fuso e-canter?
Fuso e-canter.
Fuso e-canter or the Mercedes-Benz 1617R?
Fuso e-canter.
Fuso e-canter or Mercedes-Benz e-Actros 600?
E600.
E600 or the Western Star 57X?
E600.
E600 or the Western Star 49X?
Still the E600.
E600 or the Setra double-decker?
Ooh, I love taking a lot of people, so the Setra double-decker.
Setra double-decker or Setra comfort class?
Double-decker.
Double-decker or the e-Citaro?
I stay with the double-decker.
Double-decker or the eJouley?
Also nice bus, but I'll stay with the Setra.
Setra double-decker or the e-Cascadia?
E-Cascadia.
Okay, great. E-Cascadia or the special Unimog?
Ooh, off-road firefighter. I'll stay with the e-Cascadia.
E-Cascadia or Gen H2?
Both really nice, but I'll go with the e-Cascadia.
E-Cascadia, here it is. That's your favorite truck.
Yay!